In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Airtable. If you've ever found yourself staring at a cluttered Airtable base, feeling overwhelmed and unsure how to make sense of all the information, this video is for you. Sorting data effectively can transform how you manage and interpret your data, and I'm here to guide you through this process seamlessly, so let's dive right in. To begin with, make sure you have your Airtable base open and ready to go. It's helpful to have a general idea of which fields you'd like to focus on sorting beforehand. With your data in view, look toward the top left corner of your screen where you're going to find a button labeled Sort. It's like a magic wand for your data organization, so go ahead and click on it. A panel will appear to the right of your screen, giving you several options for customizing how you want your data arranged. Once you have the Sort panel open, you'll see prompt options to specify exactly which fields you want to sort by. Take a moment to consider which field will make the most sense for this task. For example, if you're working with an inventory list, you might want to sort by item name, date added, or quantity in stock. Select the field that you desire from the drop-down list that appears. Perhaps you want to prioritize your tasks by due date, or organize contacts alphabetically by last name. After selecting your preferred field, you need to decide the order in which you'd like your data sorted. You have two options here: ascending or descending. Ascending means sorting from A to Z, or from the smallest to largest number, while descending reverses this order. Click on your chosen field and then choose the direction that best suits your needs. At this point, keep in mind that Airtable allows you to perform multi-level sorts. This means you can sort first by one field and then again by another. To do this, simply click the Add Sort button within the same panel. So if you're working with an employee list, you might first order entries by department and then sort employees within each department alphabetically by last name. As you adjust these settings, watch how Airtable dynamically reshuffles your records in real time, giving you a clearer perspective of your data without any manual shuffling. Something to note is that the sorting you've applied will only affect the current view you're working in. This is a great feature because it allows you to maintain different sorts in different views, offering flexibility in how you present data for various needs and stakeholders. And there you have it. You've just mastered the basics of sorting data in Airtable. Play around with the sorting options and explore how different combinations can uncover new insights from your data. Remember, organizing your data effectively is not just about aesthetics. It's about making informed decisions with clarity and confidence.